Dozens of residents in Conewago Township, York County, trapped tonight as their road is still buried in snow. Residents say it hasn't been plowed in years and nobody will take responsibility. Fox 43's Sydney Nauman explains the dispute and the lengths residents are going to continue their daily lives.
A decades-old dispute has dozens of residents in Conewago Township's Westwood community trapped, not by snow alone, but a lack of responsibility. Ashley Troup should have been at work today.
I even came out 3 hours before my shift to try to get out, and my car just wouldn't budge.
As an Amazon driver, Troup has seen her fair share of roads, and she says this just isn't fair.
They usually maintain it, either back roads in the middle of nowhere. This is ridiculous.
This is supposed to be a road, but with no plowing, Westwood Drive looks more like a snowy field. And neighbors say while nobody can come in or out, they're the ones paying the price.
And then I got a financial burden because I'm losing hours and then have to be worrying about getting terminated.
Across the street, other parts of the Westwood mobile home community have been plowed. Conewago Township Manager Josh Kopp says the street isn't township property, so plowing it would be a liability.
We never adopted anything in the Westwood community because of being a mobile home park. There's so many different things that could go wrong through there.
Residents like Tammy Fickus say they've been reaching out to anyone they think could help, just for their calls to go unanswered.
I've called Starview, which owns the trailer park, and they are not responsible for it because they said it's a privately owned road.
The only solutions: call the owner of the private road.
We did get a call today about what they could do. The only thing I could do was give them the number to Dixie, and apparently she's not answering the phone.
Or cover the cost themselves.
Then it's up to the residents, but how fair is that because we pay our lot rent?
In the past, Fickus says her neighbors have come together to clear the snow with shovels and snow blowers, but with an aging population, it's becoming harder to solve the snow problems themselves. It's not the first time neighbors have been stuck, and Fickus says it won't be the last.
I've been here 21 years, and every year we have a problem.
Every snowfall bringing the same questions and concerns.
It's just scary.
Sydney Nauman, Fox 43 News.